Easy tips for decorating small spaces. Effectively, decorating a small space can be challenging, but it's also a chance to get creative. With Homestyler, you can visualize every inch before making any changes, saving time, money, and energy. Start with multifunctional furniture. Choose items that can serve more than one purpose, like storage ottomans, sofa beds, or fold-out desks. Use Homestyler to place and size these items accurately. Use vertical space. Tall bookshelves, hanging planters, and wall-mounted desks can clear floor area and open up your room. Try these in Homestyler's 3D mode to see how they look from every angle. Keep your color palette light and neutral to make the room feel larger. You can also use mirrors, glass, and reflective surfaces to bounce light and create the illusion of depth. Limit clutter by using built-in storage and closed cabinetry. Homestyler's furniture library includes many storage-friendly designs. Add them to your floor plan and view them in real time. Create visual zones within the small space. Define areas for sleeping, working, or relaxing by using rugs, lighting, or furniture placement. Homestyler allows you to play with layouts until it feels just right. Click the link in the description to try Homestyler for free. It's your digital canvas for perfecting small space decorating. Even a tiny apartment can feel spacious and stylish when you approach design with smart planning. With Homestyler, every corner counts.